Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore the Microsoft Edge option to close all tabs when it prompts you, do you want to close all tabs? And you check mark the box that says always close all tabs. Thus you don't get that pop-up anymore. So if you want to re-enable that, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should go back to registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and left click on yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong in the future you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the file tab, select export. File name, I would suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, just put select file and import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward. Once you've made the backup, we're ready to begin, and we're going to double click on the HKey current user folder. So double click on that. Locate the software folder, double click on that as well. Should be a classes folder near the top of that. Double click on that. Should be a local settings folder in here. So just scroll down a little bit. And you want to expand that. Should be a software folder. Expand that one. Should be a Microsoft folder underneath of that. Expand it. Should be a Windows folder. Expand that one as well. Now expand current version. Now there should be an app container folder. Expand that. Same thing for the storage folder underneath of that. And now you want to locate something that says Microsoft Edge, and then an underscore 8WEKYB3D8BBWE right here. Expand that. Should be a Microsoft Edge folder underneath that. Expand that. And now finally there should be a main folder. So you want to go ahead and just left click on the main folder. If you need to pause the video and just take a look at where we currently are, you can see each backslash up at the top is a different folder we've gone under. So anyway, now that we have just selected the main folder one time, on the right side we want to locate a dword value that says ask to close all tabs. Go double click on it. Value data, you want to delete the 0 in the value data field and type the number 1, and then left click on OK. Once you've done that, you can close out of the registry editor, restore your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.